when you die. Think you can outrun a wolf? You're in the belly of the beast! Nature!
These cultists are the same ones who attacked Wilden. They must also be seeking the shard.
Your master wishes to speak?
Shall have whatever your heart desires.
My heart only desires one thing, and your precious fragment is hers.
Deliver the stone, or the burning hell will cleanse this world. Your mistress need it.
If you had such power, you'd be taking the stone, not asking for it. You have your answer. With the stone's power, even hell cannot stop her.